What's the meaning of canticle? Canticle. Canticle.
Canticle. Canticle. A canticle is a song or hymn with a religious or spiritual theme. It is often associated with the Christian liturgy and can be found in various forms such as psalms, chants, and anthems. Canticles typically express gratitude, praise, or adoration to a higher power or deity. Through the use of music and poetic language, canticles can evoke a sense of awe and reverence in those who participate in their performance or listen to their recitation. Overall, canticles represent an important component of many religious traditions and practices.